Did you know that the coconut has 3 layers, just like our skin? So what if I told you that coconuts have numerous benefits that can help transform your skin for the better? Hello everyone and welcome back to Beauty Talks with Rachel. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. Today's video is all about coconut oil. We'll go over its benefits and of course I'll show you how to incorporate it into your routine with some product recommendations. So, if you want to know more about coconut oil and its benefits on your skin, keep watching. Coconut oil is an incredibly versatile and beneficial substance that can be used for a wide range of purposes. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous benefits, ranging from skincare to cooking. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, lose weight, aid your digestion, or protect your skin from the sun, coconut oil is an excellent choice. Coconut oil has numerous benefits for skincare due to its unique composition of fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Let's check out some of these benefits. Hydration. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer that is easily absorbed into the skin, making it an excellent choice for people who suffer from dryness. For intense hydration, the Cocoa Clear Cream is a must-have. Infused with coconut oil, this cream deeply penetrates the skin, providing intense nourishment and protection against dryness. The Cocoa Clear Lotion is a rich and creamy formula that is absorbed quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling silky smooth and hydrated, perfect for daily use. This lotion provides long-lasting moisture and nourishment without any greasy residue. Anti-aging. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent damage from free radicals and reduce signs of aging. The Cocoa Clear Serum is a lightweight, fast-absorbing serum. Its formula, rich in fatty acids found in coconut oil, protects and restores the skin's firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. As for the body, the Cocoa Clear oil is a powerful addition to your routine that works on the deepest layers of the skin, increasing its collagen and elastin production. This helps firm and regenerate the skin to maintain its youthful aspect. Reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Coconut oil contains essential fatty acids that help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks over time. It can also help promote skin healing and regeneration. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent infections and acne and reduce inflammation and redness in the skin. For an indulgent bathing experience, the Cocoa Clear Clarifying Shower Gel is a luxurious body wash that gently cleanses and nourishes the skin. Made with all natural ingredients, this shower gel is gentle on sensitive skin and perfect for daily use. Makeup removal. Coconut oil is an effective and gentle makeup remover that can help dissolve and remove even waterproof makeup. This is why the Cocoa Clear soap, which is infused in coconut oil, makes for a great makeup remover. It is specially formulated to break down even the toughest waterproof makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Soothing sunburned skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of coconut oil can help soothe and heal sunburned skin. It can also provide a protective barrier to prevent further damage. Natural sun protection. Coconut oil contains natural sun protection properties that can help protect the skin from harmful UV rays. While it's not a substitute for traditional sunscreen, applying coconut oil can provide an additional layer of protection for the skin. So, there you have it guys, a complete rundown on coconut oil and its benefits. I highly recommend giving it a try if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye.